So here we are at the end. And hopefully the ways of modern infrastructure are no longer mysterious. Yeah, there's a lot of moving pieces, but hopefully their place and the purpose they serve is clear. We've talked about taking it further and even next steps if you truly want to get this skill set under your belt. So, the only other real point to say is this: don't wait. Start learning this now. This is the direction that the industry is moving towards. And because of how efficient and cost effective it is, well, we're going to have a lot of winners and a lot of losers. Those who hop on early and become the experts now, well, they'll reap all of the benefits of having this highly demanded skill set. Whereas folks late to the party will be catching up as the cloud becomes the standard going forward. And so whether you do this with us at AWS DevOps, on your own, or through whatever else is out there, give yourself the benefit of getting this stuff now. DevOps specialists, site reliability engineers, and developers who have this skill set are by and far the highest paid. They're second only to engineering managers, and quite frankly, if you have this skill set, well, guess what? You probably know your entire technology stack end to end, as well as the team members that work on those different pieces of it, which means you're a prime candidate to manage a team if you so choose. So, don't wait. Start learning this now. Outside looking in, people look at things like AWS and they wonder, what the heck? Why do people love this so much? Why do they get together every year and throw a big party called reInvent around it? Because seriously, what could be more ridiculous than a bunch of infrastructure nerds throwing a festival around this topic? But the reason that things like this happen is because of the change that learning these skills creates for them. All of the startups that are now only possible because of this new industry, all of the new high-paying jobs, all of the future directions that companies can take. That's what they're excited for. And so one more time, don't wait. Start learning this now. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon in our other programs like the Master Workshop. Until next time, cheers.